So again, hi everyone. Thanks for having me today. And I'm from the Nobody Market Maker team and being a full-on degen for the past year. And I'll be your co-host for this AMA session, both as a meme trader and someone who's deep into market making. And what we're gonna talk about today, we're gonna dive into Zeus Exchange and its specifics, talk memes, talk base culture, and the market making, and also overall market, how it's going on, etc. And I've got a ton of questions lined up, and you can also drop your questions in the chat. I've seen there already lots of questions. We'll get to them at the end of the AMA session, and let's get started. I think you can introduce yourself and shortly to say about Zeus Exchange.
Yeah, with the greatest pleasure. So, once again, good morning, good day, good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining us. And I'm the voice of Zeus Exchange. And Zeus Exchange, who we are. So, we are a decentralized trading platform built on Base. And our focus is sport and perpetuals, but with a twist. We are turning trading into a game with gamification, leaderboards, Soulbound Tokens, or SBTs, and real rewards. Every trade and every action matters. We believe trading should be fun, transparent, and community driven. And that's what Zeus delivers because our main mission is to be closer to our community. What does it mean? Actually, nowadays we see a lot of perp decks and we see how they're making money for their own. But actually, almost none of them are sharing the profit with the community, are sharing with the on the regular basic with the community. Maximum, this is something like one airdrop or so, and this is something very very small if we're gonna compare with the amounts that actually exchange gonna make. So we decided that we will be different. We decided to create Zeus Exchange, where you will be able to complete the trading, safe trading. Um, you will be able to trade without a deposit, and your trade will be directly from your wallet. And also, we decided that we're gonna reward our community, so we're gonna share 25% of our profit with our people, with the people who are with us, who are supporting us with our community. So that's a short intro, and later on this AMA session, we're gonna dive deeper into the each point of this intro.
Yeah, and my first question, what makes Zeus different from other decentralized exchanges?
Yeah, actually, thank you for this question. And this was my first question when I joined the product project, and the main, and I would say that these are like core differences. Most dexes are copy paste the same model. Deposit funds, trade, and keep your fingers crossed and hope for airdrop. Zeus Exchange is different because we are a true DEX, no internal deposits. Everything is on chain, no custodial risk. Gamification, that's what I spoke about just recently. Trading feels like a game with the leaderboards, progressions, and our seasons. We call the seasons epochs, and we're gonna go back to this epochs a bit later. So just stay with us, and you will know more. Profit sharing. That's what I mentioned just recently. Yeah, so we are giving back 25% of our net profits to users and on the regular basic and community first. That we're just not some sort of another interface. We are building a trading culture. And also, actually, this is something that came out just recently. For those who doesn't know, uh, just like maybe an hour ago, maybe a bit more or less. Actually, it doesn't matter. Official base account announced something incredible. They announced that they are up to they're considering the idea to make their own token, and we are built on base. So what does it mean? It means that base as an ecosystem is supported by Coinbase. So for now, from my perspective, this is the biggest player on the market. And if all the world will put their attention on base, who will be the winner? Of course, everyone who will be on base, and we are on base. So that. This is how you can see in life how the real luck looks like. Will be you when you are in the right time at the right place with the right people.
Yeah, I've seen today that news that Base gonna launch
Yeah.
their token. Yeah, incredible actually. Just up to our AMA session. Yes.
Mhm.
And I wanna ask also, how does your airdrop game works with the SBTs keep things fair?
Okay, that's also a great question because normal airdrops are random and often get formed by bots. With
Yeah.
Zeus, it doesn't work like that because you can become a trader, you can use the platform, that's fine, and you can do the same thing but win all the rewards. The only one difference, what you need to do to be eligible for the rewards, you need to mint a Soulbound token or SBT. So this is your ID. This is something that is tied permanently to your wallet. That means one trader, one identity. And because our rewards are activity based, not speculation based, this is the best way how we can track your activity and how we can actually reward you for your activity. So, but bots and multi accounts don't get an advantage while real users are rewarded fairly.
Okay, yeah, got it. So, one wallet, one profile, one.
One is BT, one profile, one person,
Mhm.
all the rewards to the one person. Yeah.
But how do you track? How do you track these rewards and user activity? Like,
We got like a special algorithm that actually tracks this because an SBT, this is not just some, some badge or something. No, this is the bridge for us to see your activity and to track it because for now, and we're gonna go back to this thing a bit later today, but for now what I can say that um, that's the algorithm where every action counts, the trading volume, P&L, winning states, even community activity like tweeting and promoting Zeus, everything is counted, and all of these things generate you Zeus points or ZP. Each month, part of the profit pool is distributed to the users proportionally to their points. So there is no guesswork, no mystery. Everything is transparent and everything is visible. You know, at every moment when you join the platform, you know where you are and what you will get.
okay, how I've got it. You trade daily, you increase your trading volume,
Mhm,
you super active, you enter community, so you
mhm.
get your points that you can exchange later on like real money.
Yeah,
Right.
actually, yeah, that's like a short version of this algorithm. But yeah, you're completely right. If you're active, if you're supporting us, then we are ready to support you. That's how it works. Yeah.
Okay, and what the role of Zeus token? It's also take a part of this activity on chain.
Zeus token is our utility and governance token. So you will be able to stake it and reduce trading fees. It also gives you a governance rights in Zeus, and of course, it's a part of the long-term ecosystem. And with the latest news about base, I think it's obvious now. So as Zeus grows, and Zeus gonna grow for sure, Zeus Exchange, our token Zeus captures that value. So and if you are here, if you are on board, and if you are with us, and you got the intention to get the rewards, you minted your SBT, you're ready to go. You will. All you need to do just take some amount of those, and you're ready to go completely with us in this journey.
Yeah, perfect.
Mhm.
And about security, what security checks and audits have you done already for today?
Yeah. Also, a huge thank you for this question because we can talk a lot about the rewards and gaming and these kind of things, but security comes first, especially in crypto field. So, as I mentioned before, our smart contracts are fully on chain, and audits are already underway with Hashlock and Contract Wolf. So. That's the huge difference. We are building in public, and transparency in this case is the key. So no hidden logic, no some underground movement. Everything is clear, transparent, visible, and secure.
Okay, and who's backing you and how do they help? Might some investors or like
Mhm.
raise directly?
Mhm. Actually, we are partnered at the moment with some of the best, of course, Base, as it's our home chain, chain link. This is for our oracles. Also, at this stage, we are connected with the old base community because the base community is pretty large, and we had recently an AMA session with base SG. It was Epoch show, and right now, actually this week, we're gonna have one more AMA session with one of the regional base accounts. So we are in touch with many base influencers because this is also very important, to build up this strong communication and to enjoy this environment. We are getting help from different communities, even closed communities, because you know that's one of the ways how you can meet some interesting people. We're not gonna share at the moment now the names of this community, but if you will stay in touch, you will be surprised because there are a lot of surprises upcoming. Also, we have private investors and IBC group supporting us. Beyond money, they bring liquidity, market access, and credibility.
Okay, got it. Actually, I'm checking every your post and I'm gonna looking forward to see who's who's like investors. It's really interesting. And about fundraising, can you share please more about it and about token metrics and tokenomics if you can?
Yeah, definitely. That's also a good question. I really like it because you can talk a lot, but it's all about the numbers. So at this stage, we raised $2 million from the private investors. Right now, we have an open raise, seed raise for 1.1 million, and private raise for 500,000. Our token supply is 100 million tokens, and TGE or token generation event is planned for the end of October, early November. FD nominal is 15 millions. But actually, all this information can be found also in our documents, in our white paper. So you can visit our website and check all these numbers there as well.
Okay. And the main question, when is the launch and what should users expect up to the launch?
Okay. Yeah, actually, I think this is the most popular question in the crypto world. When mine? I like this question. This is really the most popular question because especially in Discord, if you are on the server, then it's like question that you got like several times per day. So our mainnet is in October, but now we are preparing some big event, the first big event, because right now we are on the in testnet, and that's a possibility for everyone to join our gaming, all this gaming process before the mainnet. So you can join the testnet, you can see yourself how it works, and you can enjoy the first trading tournament also with leaderboard and prizes. See how it works, try to trade, test it, maybe find some bug, I don't know, and report it. It's also will be useful. And as I mentioned in the very beginning of this AMA session, we have seasons, but we don't call them seasons, we call them epochs. So each epoch is this is the part of the whole gamification, and each epoch has its own focus. So, for example, one epoch will be more focused on the trading volume. The second one will be focused on something else, and so on. So, epoch is time limited, and all you need to do just follow up the news, see the moment when the epoch is on and is live, and take a part in it. And of course, at the end of each epoch, there will be a reward distribution, and the more active you will be, the biggest reward is expecting you. So, what the users should expect after the mainnet, of course, the next epochs, because we're not gonna finish this gamification with the mainnet. We're gonna keep going with this, and every single user should expect fun, rewards, and a very active community.
Yeah, and my last questions. As I realized right now, users already can test the exchange right now, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, that's all. Yeah, I have no questions anymore. Thank you very much. That's
No
really
problem.
interesting.
Yeah, thank you for your questions. And now this will be my turn. So, you do market making on centralized exchanges and on DEX. What is the biggest difference in your strategy there?
Actually, on centralized exchanges, liquidity is structured, like order books are deep and stable. And at the same time, on the centralized exchange, it's more fragmented and can vanish fast if volume drops. Like we've seen that on every meme coin, which dropped down from 1 million to zero in an hour. And on centralized exchange, we focus on tight spreads, while on decentralized exchange, we have to manage volatility, gas, and how pools or perps work. Different approach, same goal, keep markets tradable. And also on decentralized exchange, so mostly manual trading and volume making overall. So if on centralized exchange we just join software, we just put on software and it works. On decentralized exchange we have like specific strategy for every coin, and we have manual trading, we like avoid snappers, avoid bundling. So it's kind of manual over there. I think, yeah, this is all difference.
Okay, thank you so much. I just got some noisy place here. Okay, back in the silent place. And my next question will be about the memes. So, memes often start thin and wild. What is the hardest part about giving them depth?
The hardest part is the start. Spreads are wide, and one big buy or sell can move the whole chart. Usually, snipers ruin the first minutes, and bundling shouldn't be over even 5%. So it's better to keep buying out natural. As I said before, trade manually. Let snipers get in and out before the main first pump. Bounce charts slowly. So it's important to balance both sides so traders can enter and exit without crazy slippage while not getting trapped by sudden volatility. And this is the biggest challenge, basically. Yeah, that's all. As I said before, the main thing is trade manually and avoid snappers and bundlers to create separate strategy for every meme coin.
Okay, thank you. Actually, it sounds very familiar to us as well. Something is actually crossing the lines here. So my next question will be about the clients. Who do you usually work with as a client?
That's a good
Yeah,
question.
this is my assistant. You've heard her. Yeah,
Yeah.
she missed me so much. She decided that she needs to
This space was downloaded via spacesdown.com. Visit to download your spaces today.
show herself.
To talk about crypto with us.
Yeah,
Might
yeah.
she
This
could
is a
show
crypto
you.
cat, definitely.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
is crypto main coon. So, guys, sorry.
So about our customers, as all of us knows, usually customers don't allow us to post their tokens publicly because we are market making, and no one wanna say that they have a market making for their coin, but everyone need that. So we have contract that prevent it. But basically, it's either AI protocols, crypto DeFi products, digital artists, TikTok influencers, Web2 normies, and last 2 weeks, lots of streamers. Because as we know, Pump Fun right now launch a new feature which help streamers to earn from fee like 95% or something like that. So lots of streamers are our customers, and they need to make market making for their coins. Yes, that's
Okay.
all.
Okay, I see. Thank you. But now let's move to the meme culture and let's just a bit cross the line here as well with the base. So,
Yeah.
and then my next question will be the following. Solana leads meme launches with Pump Fun. What do you think does base need to attract builders and traders?
Yeah, Solana took off because it gave builders easy tools like Pump Fun or like Bond Fun. But Base also has its own stack farming like Flunch, Clunker, Zora. I know that Zora right now more like for NFT, but it's also usable for new tokens overall. So what's next is building trading depth step by step as decentralized exchange roll out and volume grows. And one more thing, that on Solana right now there is like a real meme pod war, everyone fighting for volume with lower fees or extra rewards for creators. So if Base somehow implement the same to their launch pads, or will reward for instance streamers like Pumpfun right now, it's gonna be a huge benefit for them, and it's gonna keep builders loyal. Yeah, that's all. Now, for now, they have already lots of good launch pads. They just need to create a reward system and list their tokens more and more on the centralized exchanges, like Zeus, for instance.
Okay, I see. Thank you. By the way, after Base announced the news, Zora token, I know, I saw this information as well, that the price went up for 20%. So I think we have something bright coming.
Yeah, today's
But
the best day for AMA session, actually.
yeah, actually it is. It's even better than the previous one.
Yeah.
So, but let's go back to you and your project. You say the pro meme sector is forming. What does that look like, and how could it grow on base?
Um, I say it means that memes aren't just random coins anymore, even fart coin. We already see real trading desks, builders, even market makers treating memes as a sector. It's no longer only for fun, it's structured, it has utility, profound idea behind the community, and huge volumes, especially on base. There is in the top of DEX screener right now only AI utility or AI protocols tokens, and it's long-term projects like Flock, Bead, and Noise. All of them is like not the first day on the market, and they've designed the product to satisfy human needs, to close all the problems that they have, and then created a token on base to use it as an inner currency of this product. So every day it's growing slow but super stable without any rotators dumps like on Solana. And after today's news, it's gonna be even more and more utility tokens. And I have here a question back. Will Zeus support fast meme listings on spot and perps, or will they reward some um, meme traders or new token traders?
Huh? Okay, so, and the answer is absolutely yes. Because we clearly see how meme coins are exploding in popularity and already capturing a massive share of market liquidity. So ignoring that would be like ignoring the elephant in the room, you know? And
Yeah,
this
yes.
elephant is wearing a pea hat. So our plan is to expand into this direction and create truly attractive conditions for meme teams and builders. We will offer bonuses and higher reward percentages to the projects that can show, like long-term vision and community building. uh, Nothing will
Yeah.
be nothing will be shared to something that will be called like just pump and dump. And while we can't reveal everything yet, more concrete updates are coming soon, so don't forget to follow up all our Twitter accounts. So stay tuned and make sure you are following not only Zeus Exchange but also Nobody.
Yeah, and I had a question before, what are your plans to grow after launch? But I think that you already answered that questions before.
Yeah, expand
Um,
epochs.
yes.
This is our focus, because this is a huge part of our project, and the activities that will be in all these epochs and all the tasks and everything that we prepared for our community. This is something incredible. So this gamification part will stay with us for sure. Also, of course. Uh, our focus right now is on mainnet and TGE, because our ecosystem token Zeus is ready to become alive. And of course, user growth, scaling the merely adopters to the broader crypto audience. So that's the thing that we are into. And actually, I've got some questions for you back now. And I have actually two questions. So the first will be, what's the biggest narrative in the market right now from your perspective?
Uh, just for today, as I open like my laptop today's morning, Monday, 15th September, is the streamers. Every streamer get the biggest fees, and usual taxis, barmans, like just girls in their rooms, they get huge fees, much more than from Twitch. And this is the biggest narrative. Every streamer try to launch their meme coin to get rewards from fees from trading volume. But in general, classic is utility tokens, but streaming it's also utility token because you're pumping token for your streamer. AI, digital artists, cool tokens, and I think that's all. This is the biggest narrative. Streamers number one, then utility tokens, AI protocol, and digital artists. This is
Okay.
like top.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. And my second question will be about the roles. So how do you see your role changing once base has more perps and structured products for memes?
Oh, market maker role changes from just keeping spot markets liquid to also handling perps and other products. Instead of only filling orders, we'll balance spot and perps, hedge risk when memes get too wild, for instance, and keep spreads tight to trading stays fair. And basically, I go from just showing up with liquidity to actually managing stability across the whole setup on Base. Yeah, that's already on Solana though, but we adapting to Base right now. We had already a few customers, and we do the same on Base. That's all. And do you have any more questions? Okay, Athena, she's a listener right now and she lost connection, I guess. Next part actually is questions to listeners, and we've talked about the future of memes, perps, base, and Zeus exchange, its specifics, how it works, and the plans. And last words for traders and builders. If you have any more questions, let me check it right now in comments. We are ready to answer these questions, but I think that we need to wait for Athena. Let me check it out. Okay, yeah, I see there are lots of questions, but most of them relate to Zeus exchange. Let me find some questions about market making
Okay, I'm
and
back.
Baronet.
I'm back.
Hey,
Sorry. Yeah, there was some
yeah.
misconnection. I don't know what actually happened, but I just
So, yeah,
it's
we
okay.
moved to questions from
Yeah.
listeners, and I've noticed that there are most of the questions relates to this exchange. Actually, would you like to take some questions, to pick some questions, and to reply on them, or
Mhm.
I'm gonna be the first, but I can't find even. Yeah, I found only two questions about market making. So I think it's your turn to choose your questions to reply.
Oh, thank
Can I
you.
can I ask my question?
Hey,
Uh,
yes.
yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you. So, can you elaborate on the specific manual market making taxes used for Solana-based meme tokens on platforms like Pump Fund to ensure organic volume growth without relying on bots or sniping? And how does those differ from your strategies on EVM chains? Did you get my question?
Yes, I got your question. How we avoid sniping and how we avoid sniping, for instance, right? And dumping on
Yeah.
market making. Yeah, actually, that's a full strategy. What it's like a tactic. First of all, we launch a token, and like in a second, there are already 10 or 15 tokens more which launched after our token, and usually it's fake tokens. I'm sure you've seen them, and we let to use those tokens for snipers and bundlers to not put volume on our real token, and at the same time we just develop marketing more and more but slowly. Then when we see that all snipers let in and out, because usually bundlers and snipers, they use only first like 10 or 15 minutes of token, we start manual trading. We trade like ourselves. We have like a team of traders who trade, who pump this token, but very slowly. That's how we get attention of organic traders. And then when we see that like bundling get like 10-15%, we start to put it down. We're just waiting, and then like in 1 hour or like in 45 minutes, we turn on software and start real market making. So in general, all scam have a place only in the start. That's why we have to wait. We have to wait when they will use all the fake tokens to find the real one, and only after this we start to bounce our token. Did I answer on your question?
I think yes, because yeah, I think so because there are some hearts and
Yeah, I
fingers
see.
up.
I see. I see.
Yeah. So now I also saw some questions for you. But okay, so I just found the question. There are like a lot of comments, so I would like to answer at least several questions because we don't have like, a lot of time. So there is a question from Zane. In the context of regulatory compliance across different jurisdictions, how does Zeus Exchange navigate QIC AML requirements while preserving user privacy, especially for anonymous trading in non-custodial modes? Actually, about QIC, what I can say, it's DeFi. So we do not require QIC. As I mentioned before, if you would like to take a part in all this big movement and if you would like to become a part of this community, you can join the platform, trade, and use all the features of the platform except the gamification mode and rewards. If you would like to be a part of this movement of the epochs, if you want to get the rewards and so on, all you need to do is mint SBT or Soulbound token, because this will be your ID on our platform, and this will help us to track your activity and give you rewards. And of course, after the mainnet, you will need to stake some Zeus token. Okay. And there is one more question for retail traders who are new to the platform. What educational resources or demo trading features does Zeus provide to help them understand advanced concepts like impermanent loss in liquidity pools or margin trading strategies? Thank you for this question because this is what I like so much. I do believe that if you want to build up a loyal community, you can also help them and educate them. So for now, at this stage, while we are on testnet, we have a really great testnet guide. So you can find it on Medium, on our Medium, and use it while you're exploring the testnet. And after the mainnet, we are planning to create, some sort of academy for the new users where we will explain basic things and also some advanced things. So, like that, I'm not sure if you are following base account, like main base account, but they've got the motto base is for everyone, base is for everything. So Zeus is for everyone. And we will be ready to accept newcomers, completely new users in crypto field, and also experienced traders. That's why we are here. And we will help to every newcomer to become more educated and to know more, just to be open to the new futures and be open to the new opportunities on the market in general.
Yeah, that's nice actually.
Mhm.
So should we pick another question from the comments or we let someone to talk?
I think we can pick up the question from the comment section,
Okay.
because yeah, I see that there are like several more.
Yeah, so should it be question for Zeus Exchange?
You can pick for
For
you.
nobody. Yeah. Actually, I replied already on that question, and there is two the same questions. But since trading always involves risk, how does nobody balance aggressive strategies with risk control for its investors? We have no investors, and usually meme coins, when they since the launch, they don't have any investors. It's just that they just don't need it, because we don't, they don't need investors. That's all. But in general, how we manage risks and balance aggressive strategies, we just do manual trading and see how market reacts. If we don't see any new organic traders, we just bounce tokens slowly a bit to show the trend up or to show the trend down. If you see that token is super expensive, we bounce it down. But all of this we do manually. That's all. That's how we manage everything. Just manual trading. Team of traders that always control how token goes up or down every second.
Mhm. Thank you. Okay, so what's the most innovative trading strategy or tool you're introducing that sets nobody found apart from other on-chain funds?
Um, what the most innovative trading strategy? The innovative strategy it's actually our manual trading because we're the only one market making for meme coins and on Solana and Base and Ethereum network that use manual trading. That's why our bubble maps is super clear always, and that's what make us outstanding. That's what help us to keep aside of others and to attract other builders.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think that we're gonna pick one more question, and that will be that's it for this AMA session. But guys, anyway, thank you so much for all your questions, and I will make sure that our team answer all the rest that we didn't cover. So stay here, and we will be here with you just shortly after AMA session ends. So there is a question that about our roadmap. Based on the roadmap outlined on your site, what are the key milestones for quarter 4 this year and beyond, particularly regarding mobile app launches, fiat on ramps, or expansions into DeFi yield farming? And how do you prioritize user feedback in shaping these developments? Thank you so much for this question. And what I can say that definitely quarter 4 we are already in it almost. The number one priority is Mainnet and TGE. Definitely, this is number one focus right now for us. And about all the upcoming things, you see, there are a lot of things coming, but even with the fact that I really want to share those things with you right now. We are more than 3,000 people on this AMA session. So, guys, I'm sorry, but I'm forced, to keep some secrets because everything needs to be revealed step by step. But what I can definitely tell you that the mobile app is also in our plans, and it will be. Uh, in our focus next year. Definitely not now. We will work on it as well, and because it's obviously base has its own app, so we will have our own app. We have also some really interesting activities coming shortly after the mainnet for the users. So actually everything, as I mentioned before, and as I mentioned from the very beginning of the CMA session, Zeus is about the community. So we are ready for the community, and we will do everything to become better. And of course, your feedback is really important. So let's say if we will see tomorrow or I don't know 1 week later that all our community, like 80% of our community, will say that will demand to have a mobile app. I think this will speed up process a little bit, but there are some fixed milestones that are already on our roadmap, and probably you know that in this field, it's not like you make a plan for the next week and you complete it for within one week. Usually, all the technical solutions and things like that takes a really impressive amount of time, and our development team is working hard. They work like almost 24/7, and they need to finish some current tasks. They need to proceed with everything that is already started. So I don't think that we're gonna wait long for something that you are asking for. But definitely, if we are talking about quarter 4 this year, the main focus is mainnet, TGE, and exploring the project after the mainnet. So that's yeah, this is that's it. I think for now with the questions for this session. Um, I would like to say a huge thank you for all the listeners. Guys, you're really amazing. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your reactions. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for listening. Thank you for joining us. And from our side, from Zeus Exchange, um, I would like just to remind you that that's the moment when the right moment to join the project. So follow up all our socials, join our testnet, try it on, see yourself how it works, and get your rewards. Uh, we are really
And
excited to have all of you and to see you on our next AMA sessions.
yes, I'm sorry, I have another
Yeah.
question. Last one. It's a very easy
Oh,
question.
yeah, sure.
Yes, my question: if I wanna join testnet just right now after AMA session because
Yeah.
I wanna try. Should I DM to this exchange or where I can find a link to join the testnet to try it myself to start increase my trading volume there?
You can DM me or Zeus Exchange official account because we have all the links are on our account, but you can make it short. You can DM me
Yes,
or Zeus
guys.
Exchange.
Guys, I recommend you to do the same while we have this opportunity
Thank you.
because we can start to increase our reputation to show our activity right now.
Yep. Thank you so much. Thank you for this conversation. I really enjoyed that, and I hope we're gonna have some more AMA in the future as well.
Yeah, me too. Thank you very much. It was amazing. Have a nice day,
Yeah.
guys.
You too. Bye.
See you. Bye bye.